I'm Anitha from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my B.Tech in the field of Information Technology from Coimbatore Institute of Engineering and Technology. So while looking for a course, I got to know about Evision Technoserve, IT recruitment and consulting company. So then I joined Evision's online 3 months job internship training program, where I learned a lot of things such as Windows administration, visualization, networking, ITIL, Office 365, Outlook and their configuration and etc. All the trainers were very much supportive and guide us to their most effective way, in their most effective way. So they also they also gave many practical knowledge about each and every topics, and also they gave mock interviews to clear the real time interviews. As as the as I also cleared the interviews, so I got placed in Tech Mahindra. So I suggest everyone who are seeking for job and want to learn new technologies. I strongly recommend Evision Technoserve IT Recruitment and Consulting Company. So once again, I thank you, Evision, for giving me this greatest opportunity. So thank you.